In part 2 of our video, we're going to continue with the tour of our store and all of the unique brands that we have in our store. So stay tuned. We hope you stay till the end and like what we have. Come visit us at Dirt Road 4x4. This is part 2. Thanks, Wasana. Here, once again, going back into Australian made. We're not quite finished the stand yet. There's a bit of signage to go on, but we've got the Dunny Buddy. Now, the Dunny Buddy we discovered at the 4x4. Darren and the guys have invented a really good Australian made product. Now, the Dunny Buddy gives you the ability of putting your toilet roll in here, and it'll keep it dry, it'll keep it clean. On the internals, it's got storage so that for the ladies, they can put tampons, they can put ladies' gear in there, whatever really. But this is something that when you go into the loo, when you're camping, I can think of places like Talbotville, whatever, just pick this up, go to the loo, your toilet paper's clean and tidy, it dispenses it, and it's completely Australian made. We love it. Peter was on our stand at Melbourne 4x4 show. He's developed this amazing guy rope. Now the guy rope looks like that. It all packs away nicely into this zip pouch, nice and simple, and the ability to self-tension the rope as you need to. You can see here I've got one set up on the jerry can there with one of the spring tensioners. You don't necessarily need that, but I wanted to show what we actually do. But these things are gold. At 24 bucks, it's a no-brainer. It's not cattle stations, but it works really, really, really well. All right, I'm going to head down here. I'll walk down to the end and Wasana can move back with me. So we've got a stack of antennas. We've got GME, we've got Oricon, we've got handhelds, we've got kits, we've got bases. 5 watt, I only carry the waterproof ones. So in the 2 watt and the 5 watt, I only carry the waterproof ones because there's nothing worse than when you're in a recovery, you've dropped your radio into a puddle. You don't want to wreck a $200 radio. So I've gone completely waterproof here in our store. I just want to keep it the practical side of 4-wheel drive. I neglected to show a couple of aisles over because I just saw the Clearview here, but we carry the Clearview cutlery set, fridge tie downs, the cable savers for your fridges. We carry all that as well with Clearview. We also do their fantastic mirrors, the compact, the next gens. I love them. I've got the next gens on the Prado. I've got all my original electrics. They are comfortably the best towing mirrors out there at the moment. But looking here, I've got Malenko. Now the best part-time towing mirror are Malenkos. Now these two here are the original samples that Dometic got when Malenko came into Australia. They've done thousands and thousands and thousands of miles, and they're still awesome. They're still fantastic. Still got the original bag. I loan them out to people. If people come and go, I really want to try them out, I give them these to try them out because the Malenko mirrors are absolutely gold. I've got the Clearview Tyre Spider here. Great for the dual cab guys. When I get down the track and I'm doing my service body, I'll have a Tyre Spider in there. It's going to be gold for doing all my tyres in one hit. We've got Cruise Master DO35s with the handbrake. Without the handbrake, we have Cruise Master. We've got a heap of Hulk here. We've got the shovels, we've got the saws, we've got D-shackles, we've got lights, we've got adapters, cable ties. We had a few more of these we bought just before, but all of the security stuff for the back of your loads. We have cam locks, we have ratchets, funnels. We have the door steps, which we do heaps of these door steps, they're gold. What else we got? 15 amp adapters for your caravans, sullage hose, water hose, security systems for your caravans, seat covers, wedges. We have lots of stuff here. On this side we've got fridge gear here. We've got Anderson plugs. We've got stoves. We've got the full kits here. Lots and lots of butane because we all need butane when we go away. Got fantastic camping lights there with the LEDs. We have lots of switches, USBs, lots and lots of that sort of stuff here. I must admit, we do a lot of Toyota here. So there's older Toyota and newer Toyota, but we carry a lot of that gear. We've got bar lights. These lights here, these 9 inches I've got on my car, I rate them, they're fantastic. Got jump starters here, we've got portable compressors. We have heaps and heaps of Hulk gear. It's really good. Headlights. This I did a video on a while ago on YouTube. It's a torch, it's an area light, it's a beacon, it's a power bank so you can charge your phones off it. This is a great little unit. This is probably what you're thinking about for my birthday, honey. Buy one of these. All right, we'll move around the front. We've got swags here. So we've got the various swags. This one here we personally use a fair bit. I won't sell this one because we use it. This is the Evolution, so it's actually, you pump it up with air. There is no poles. For the guys who are always putting up swags and got lots of poles, there is no poles with this. We've been using this for 2 years. We tie off the ends. It's about 5 pumps into the air thing here, into the air. And look, this is they're really, really good. Evolution 1100, this one here. It's probably a little more than your standard swag, but no poles. Super fast, super simple. Right, well, Sano, just park the camera over here. We have Kaon. So we have a lot of Kaon, like I mentioned earlier, Australian made up in Brisbane. Tin and Linda, they've designed and developed some fantastic products. So on this end display here, it's predominantly max Trax holder. So we've got elevated, we've got flat, we've got stealth, we've got folding, side mounts for your max Trax, recovery hooks for 200 series. So we carry a lot of max Trax type gear moving forward. All right, I'm going to walk down here and move back like I did the other aisle. Once again, lots and lots of Kaon. So we've got camera relocations, we've got tables, we've got recovery hitches, we've got water tanks, we've got aerial mounts. There's just heaps and heaps of stuff here. Cages, chopping boards, but lots and lots of Kaon. Aerial mounts for bonnets. And we've got tradesman wedge tail, so we do a lot of tradesman wedge tail here. Once again, back to that Australian theme. We do a lot of tradesman wedge tail here. It's a great rack. We've got a lot of this out the back because we need to make space, but we've got barriers, tables. We have, for lots of different models of vehicle, we do carry a lot of Prado here, but we carry all this sort of stuff. On this side here, got a lot of Bushmen, so if you're going away, we've got the 40% DEET, 20% DEET, the healthy choice, the natural ones. We have a lot of bush ranger here because we want to keep the bugs away, and we want to keep the bugs off your car, so we have a bug and tar clean just as well. Just happen to be sitting on top of the Bushman. All right, we carry a lot of gloves. So we do the Pro X gloves. All the mechanics here around our area are all using Pro X. We've got the large, extra large. We do a lot of this. We do this wholesale as well because we're a distributor, but we have a stack of gloves. 20 litre park cleaner there. We've got 4 litres of breakaway. Now the breakaway is your WD-40 better than, I won't say equivalent, because this is a far more responsive. All of the mechanics around here are going, this is awesome. I'm selling heaps, so I really need to get out on the road and do this because this is good stuff. We did one of the big hand cleaners this morning, so we're doing for the mechanics the big 4 litres, but we've also got the 500ml hand cleaners as well. These are really good as a full drive. You just leave it in the drawer of your car. If you need to wash your hand, this is gold. You've done a bit of work under the bonnet, just keep this in your drawer. Keep it next to your breakaway, it's gold. But we have liquid shields, we have silicone sprays, we have electric cleaners, battery cleaners. Being a car nut, I've got sponges, microfiber towels. I've got things to make your car smelly. I've got clay towels, quick detailer. I've got glass cleaner, tyre foam, max clean. Lots of diesel additives, anti-freeze for the guys who are going to snow. Those seasons nearly all over. SOS for the guys with jet skis. We do lots of this. If you're doing Fraser Island, you need to carry some SOS with you, because if you're getting salt underneath your vehicle, you need to get rid of that salt. You need to dissolve it, dilute it, get rid of it. So we do a lot of SOS. Cyclo is a really big partner to our business. Have I missed anything here, Wasana? No, I reckon we're good. All right, I'm going to go around this direction. We're nearly there. HEMA. We've probably got one of the bigger map displays in the area. We carry a lot of it. We find that people should be carrying paper maps along with their HX2s, which we do a lot of HX2s. HEMA is a big partner for us as well. We also, although we haven't got the display in there, but we also do quad lock. So all your phone holders, your quad lock phone holders, we do all that. I've got the quad lock in my car. It's the best phone holder I've ever seen. I had Brian in here earlier, one of our customers. He's a Prado owner. He had the quad lock in his. It's just gold. So that's about it. The other thing that we sell is we do a lot of elect brakes too. For the guys who have got multiple vehicles, they want electric brakes in their vehicle. We do a heap of elect brakes. We also do Red Arc. We do GME, as I mentioned. We do all the major brands, Brown and Davis fuel tanks. There's stacks and stuff that we have here, or we don't have here, but we actually sell. So there's lots and lots of really cool stuff that we do. And I've got the fantastic wedge tail display out the top here. So I've got wedge tail on the top of my vehicle. I love this rack, Australian made, deadly quiet. There's no limitations. Well, Sana actually pointed out I hadn't talked about it because she loves this rack because it's the first time we've had a car that we can actually wash the roof and clean the roof. It's really, really good. Deadly quiet, like I said, no limitations. This is a 150 kilo rate. The roof of my Prado is rated 100 kilos. So I actually get to use the whole 100 kilos. There's no static or dynamic weight difference with this rack. So if you're looking for a good, solid, fantastic Australian-made roof rack, the Australian-made tradesman wedge tail are fantastic. We do Darchi awnings. We do a lot of Darchi. We do a lot of installs of awnings and roof racks here. So please feel free to drop in and say hello. From Dirt Road 4x4, this is our little business. We're in the back blocks of Werribee. We're not a main road. We are a destination store. And I'd love all you guys to come and say hello, talk about your trips, talk about what you need, and come and see us.